All right, guys, just a real quick video. I've been working a little bit, not as hard as I normally do on Robbie, but I did put another primer on him, and more primer on him, more putty. I'm still sanding. I've got both feet done now, so now it's all about just cleaning them up and making sure everything's nice and solid. The bottoms are a trip. They're really hard to do, to match, to get them solid, but like I said, I found this tread tape that I'm going to use. I'm going to put it inside and outside, just like a tennis shoe. So it should be able to handle the compression from outside to inside with no problem whatsoever. I've got the ring. It's almost completely done. And I haven't done a damn thing to Robbie yet. He just sits there just staring at me. When are you going to work on me? When are you going to work on me? Well, one of these days I'll get around to it, but I want to get all this done. I'm now printing the lower part of the leg that attaches there. And I should have that done within the next, I don't know, 4 days. And by this weekend, I'll have the left printed, the right on. So by the end of this month, I should have the lower section of the legs primed and sanded and worked on. And then I'll start working on the lower portion of that leg to the knee. And then after that, the sock. And then I'm done printing all the printing parts that I need to do. And then I just need to start working on everything, cleaning up. I'm going to do the electronics last. I've got most of the electronics done, but I still want to do the flashing headrests last for the valve rests. I want to get those flashing. I've got to get that all done. I got to get the blinking lights done and various other stuff, but I'm saving that for last. Anyway, I thought you guys would like to see a video. I haven't posted one in regards to Robbie in a bit. So here we are, and can't wait to get these sanded and primed so they all look at the same color. And if everything goes okay by Christmas, I should be able to at least assemble the Robbie standing up. At least I'm shooting for that, but we'll see what happens. All right, as I always say, end of video. Happy printing.